Hey guys, it's another week. That means another recipe. Today you're making a pina colada cake. So you're starting off by 1 cup of sugar, a cup of margarine, you're going to whisk that until it's well incorporated. Next, I'm adding 3 eggs, one at a time. Next, I'm adding coconut essence, then pineapple essence. That's what makes up the pina colada taste. I'm a flavor. Then I'm adding 2 cups of milk. I should have mixed that before adding the flour and the baking powder. So if you're trying this recipe, mix the milk and the eggs and the sugar and all those things before adding the flour and the baking powder. Because if I had mixed the wet ingredients first, I would have just folded the flour and the baking powder in, but now I was forced to whisk it because it was a bit heavy, and so by whisking it I overmixed and the cake broke into pieces. It was well cooked, but it was too light, so it broke. That's why you'll see at the end of the video I don't have a picture of it because it broke. Here I'm using a sufuria as my baking tin. I'm lining it with margarine and some all-purpose flour so that the cake doesn't stick. I baked it at 180 degrees for 60 minutes and it was well cooked. It was so sweet. Yes, and that's it for this week's video. See you on the next one.